Hey there, and welcome to this quick demo for Login with IOTA, where we will be using the solution built by IOTA DID to verify verifiable credentials which are based on an IOTA DID. And for that, what we will do, we have two items. So on the one hand, so on the left side, we have the verifier portal, which could be any application who wants to verify that a user is holding a verifiable credential, which is based on an IOTA DID. And on the right side, you can see my iPhone with the Vault ID wallet, a web wallet, which will hold the credential, which is then used to present to the verifier. And as a first step, what we will do is open our wallet and make the onboarding to the IOTA ecosystem. And what that is that we will create our DID IOTA. And so let's hit get started and generate DID. So now a private and a public key pair will be created, then a DID based on those keys, and then the DID will be registered on the IOTA Tangle, so it can be used in the whole IOTA ecosystem and can be fetched, so the DID document associated with the DID we now are about to create. This, the registration can take a bit, but it's not too long in most cases. And once we have that, we can also issue credentials based on that DID, or get credentials from an issuer. So great. So we have now our DID, and one last thing, we go to settings again, ecosystem, select ecosystem, and make sure that we use that IOTA DID we just created as a default option for our credentials. And now let's request a credential from the Vault ID issuer portal. We will get the verifiable ID, and let's fetch and confirm. And so here we have our credential, which is based, as you see here at the bottom, on our IOTA DID. So let's accept that. Cool, now we have our credential, and let's go back to our verifier, where we need to authenticate. So we click this QR code button, and also in our wallet we do the same thing and scan the presented QR code. So we can now accept this request. And the request was successful, and a few policies were checked from the issuer. So the signature was okay, the challenge, the presentation, as well as DID IOTA. So which means that it was checked that the DID is actually registered on the IOTA Tangle, and everything went well. Have a great day and happy building. See you next time.